Action cameras are small, lightweight, wearable, mountable, portable, and sometimes waterproof camcorders. They're useful because you can mount them to pretty much anything, from skateboards, surfboards, and bicycles, to helmets, body parts, and even your pets. They have all but replaced traditional camcorders in the marketplace. Family historians and budding cinematographers now use a GoPro or similar camera for wide shots and vlogs, while smartphones and newer mirrorless cameras are the tool of choice for home movies. Number 5. DJI Action 2. Snap into your environment. Action 2's innovative magnetic design allows you to effortlessly switch out accessories as you capture life on the go. Snap on any of Action 2's diverse accessories and discover creative ways to film your adventure. Action on the go. The ultra-compact DJI Action 2 takes up next to no room in your travel bag. With the magnetic lanyard and magnetic headband, you can effortlessly wear the lightweight camera on your head or chest as you capture the world around you. Footage that speaks for itself. Record-stunningly smooth 4K, 120fps video with richer details than ever before. Action 2's ultra-wide FOV lets you capture more of your surroundings as you explore. Share worthy content in a tap. The DJI Mimo app uses its AI editor to automatically select and combine your epic moments with flawless transitions and upbeat music. Make a splash. DJI Action 2 is robust and waterproof right out of the box, so that you can capture it all on your aquatic adventures. The camera unit can be used at depths of up to 10 meters and at 60 meters when paired with the waterproof case. Number 4. Akaso Brave 8. More superior photography experience. Akaso Brave 8 action camera is the upgraded version of the Brave 7 LA. Features a powerful 1/2 CMOS image sensor and quad-pixel technology teamed with a unique 9-layer glass lens array. Support professional 4K 60fps video, 48 megapixels photo, help you record your sports adventures and clearly capture life's most vivid details. Waterproof and dual-color screens. IPX8 waterproof protects underwater cameras from rain, snow and water splashes. Waterproof video camera to 33 feet, 10 m. Without case, it is suitable for snorkeling, surfing, swimming. Dual-color screens. You can change framing and monitoring views between back and front. Color front screen can meet your selfie needs. 2-inch rear touchscreen makes it easier to use than ever. Super smooth stabilization and ultimate shooting experience. Brave 8 is equipped with super smooth technology, the higher-level calibration technology of Akaso sports cameras, fearless of all kinds of vibration and shock for a more stable video and photo experience. 8K time-lapse. Catch the flow of time, such as the color of the sky changes from day to night. Number 3. Insta360. 4K boost lens and 5.7K 360 lens. Get 2 cameras in one with Insta360 RS. Swap between the new 4K boost lens for stunningly detailed wide-angle videos and the 360 lens for endless creative possibilities. Flow state stabilization. Buttery smooth image stabilization, no matter what lens you use. The powerful RS core now delivers flow state stabilization in camera when paired with the wide-angle lenses. No editing needed. 48 megapixels photos, 6K widescreen video and active HDR video. Thanks to a new sensor, capture crisp 48 megapixels photos, ultra-detailed 6K widescreen videos and vibrant HDR action videos. Invisible selfie stick. Don't ruin the view with an ugly selfie stick. The 360 lens makes the invisible selfie stick totally disappear from your shots for impossible drone-like footage and third-person perspectives. In the box. 1x4K boost lens, 1x360 lens, 1x1 RS core, 1x1 RS battery base, 1x lens cap for 360 lens and 1x1 RS mounting bracket. Number 2. GoPro Hero 10. Revolutionary processor. Faster, smoother, better. The powerful new GP2 engine changes the game. Snappy performance, responsive touch controls and double the frame rate for amazingly smooth footage. Designed specifically for the demanding nature of the GoPro, the GP2 system on a chip is by far our fastest ever. High-res photos plus videos, high frame rate, step up to the sharpest shooting GoPro ever. Upgraded to incredible 23 megapixels photos and 5.3K video resolution at 60 fps, Hero 10 offers double the frame rate for amazingly smooth motion. Plus, There's 8x slow-mo at 2.7K and you can pause videos and grab 15.8 megapixels still photos from 5.3K video that look amazing. Unbelievable image quality. Shoot with fine detail, realistic textures and stunning contrast, even in low light. Images look their best thanks to a new water-shedding hydrophobic lens cover that repels water while helping to eliminate lens flare and other artifacts. Hyper Smooth 4.0. Hyper Smooth has never been smoother, and it's easy to dial in the best stabilization at all times. Plus, get even better low light performance and horizon leveling with a higher tilt limit, so your footage looks perfectly straight when you want it. Number 1. Insta360. Dual 1-inch sensors and superb low light. Dual 1-inch CMOS sensors deliver unparalleled image quality with outstanding dynamic range and superb low light performance. Stunning 6K 360 video, the ultimate creative tool. Easily capture impossible shots with 6K 360-degree capture, the invisible selfie stick and 360 reframing. 21 megapixels 360 photos, capture the world around you in sharp definition with seamlessly stitched 21 megapixels 360 stills. New Pure Shot HDR mode for a higher dynamic range powered by AI. Flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock. 6-axis stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms come together to deliver incredibly smooth videos. In the box, 1x1-inch 360 lens, 1x1 RS core, 1x mounting bracket for 1-inch 360 lens, 1x vertical battery base for 1-inch 360 lens and 1x lens cap for 1-inch 360 lens. Brand Insta360 connectivity technology Bluetooth, Wi-Fi flash memory type micro SD color black special feature 360 horizon lock, flow state stabilization, time-lapse, low-light screen size 1 inches photo sensor technology CMOS camcorder type video camera model name 1RS included components in the box, 1X Insta361 RS 1-inch 360 edition.